Using fondant when decorating cakes gives you so many options, but the common complaint is that it tastes terrible, and most of the store-bought pre-made fondants do. Here's an easy recipe for marshmallow fondant you can make at home for a fraction of the price, and it tastes better than any fondant you'll buy in the store. Uses 16 ounces of miniature marshmallows, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 4 pounds of confectionery sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You melt the miniature marshmallows in a microwave-safe bowl for 1 minute. 1 minute was sufficient in my microwave to have them melted enough that I could stir them. If you need 1 minute and 30 seconds, depending on the power of yours, you'll have to adjust. They should be the consistency you see here. Stir them, add the vanilla, and then you're going to add your 1/4 cup of water and stir until blended. Transfer the mixture to your stand mixing bowl, and you're going to add the confectioner's sugar 1 cup at a time, reserving 1 cup for kneading. Add it slowly and keep mixing. As you get to the end, you'll see that the mixture starts to maybe even vibrate or move because the marshmallow mixture becomes stiffer and stiffer. So stop your mixer, butter your hands with the butter, put powdered sugar on your work surface, remove the mixture from the bowl, and begin to knead. What I really like about this recipe is that as you take it out, it's not very sticky at all. And it's, as you can see, just comes together really easily. It's a super easy, foolproof fondant recipe. So you just knead it, mixing in the sugar that's on your work surface. Add more if you need it, if your dough is too sticky or too soft. And then you're done. Once it's kneaded and it's a nice texture, you can store it in a Ziploc bag or a Tupperware container. It will stay for a couple of weeks. And I will show you how to add color in another one of my videos. It's very easy to add gel food colorings, and I'll show you how to color it. So look for that video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and let me know if you've tried this, because like I said, it's a fraction of the price of the store-bought fondant, but it tastes so much better. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day. Bye-bye.